Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, backup important data, and free at least 500 MB of storage so the system can rebuild caches. Once done, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app caused the crash. Hold power, then long press restart and choose safe mode. If system UI behaves in safe mode, uninstall the most recent apps one by one and restart between removals to identify the offender. Now you perform detailed fixes. Go to Settings, Apps, Show System Apps, find System UI and Android System, then clear cache and, if needed, clear data. This resets temporary settings without deleting personal files. Next, reset app preferences to restore disabled services and confirm your default launcher isn't corrupted. Make sure system updates are applied. If the issue started after an update, consider rolling back the offending app update from Play Store or uninstalling its updates. If problems persist, perform a factory reset, but only after verifying your backup. That clears deep configuration problems. Once reset, set up the phone without restoring problematic apps immediately to confirm stability. If instability continues, use Realme's repair tool or take the device to an authorized service center for firmware flashing. If you flash manually, double-check device model and firmware version. Incorrect firmware can brick the phone, so proceed only if you understand the steps or get professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.